Alex Forster, you are among the arrangers of this Copenhagen startup event. What is the background? Is it all EDB, technology, data technology, or anything?
The background of the event, you mean?
Yes.
No, so I'm the co-founder of something called Startup Bootcamp, which is really a 3-month version of what you've just seen here.
3 months?
Yeah, so we take 10 teams and we're going to transform them into 10 startups in 3 months. And so this is, in a way, a practice run, a recruiting channel, a networking event. It's of lots of purpose for us.
But the people who have come here, Friday, and do pitches and try to develop business models and so on, how do they get into contact with you?
Well, I spent 3 months sending, I counted, 2,374 emails. It's been a huge word-of-mouth, viral, Twitter, Facebook recruiting campaign. So mostly through word of mouth.
Do you have any idea the type of people who come here?
Actually very precise. We have about 25% are developers, another 25% are more like business development marketeers, about 20% students, and I don't know if it's going to add up, but the rest is social media and sort of jack of all trades.
So is it all computer-based?
Well, by default, what you can achieve in 2 days, if you want to get a prototype and something going, is going to be mostly like mobile apps and web-based apps. Other events have produced other types of companies, but most of them are going for that kind of stuff.
And what do they have to achieve in,
54 hours.
54 hours.
Well, they have to achieve whatever they think they can achieve, but we have a jury of 6 professional investors who are just volunteering their Sunday night to come check us out. And we have a big carrot, 10,000 krona prize for the best 5-minute pitch on Sunday night, where they demo the progress they made in the last 54 hours.
Copenhagen is not alone in this startup event,
No.
Is it?
So Startup Weekend is a non-profit organization run by 3 guys out of Seattle. They're like 25 years old, and they run around the world, fly around the world, doing these events, and they've done like 80 of them in 19 countries. And this weekend, we added 5 to that list because there are other cities doing it simultaneously in the Nordics.
Which cities are they?
So you have Oslo, Lund, Vilnius, and Kaunas. This is 4, and Copenhagen is the 5th. And next weekend is Stockholm.
Okay. And as you say, 14, 15 pitches are being worked through now for presentation later today. Do you have any idea of the problems they're facing?
Well, there's all sorts of problems. So they have internet access problems, human drama problems. It's a very stressful because they're ambitious, so they're tired. I think everybody is pretty exhausted. But no, I think it's more like trying to fit in, narrow all the ideas they have into what they can actually achieve in the weekend is probably the hardest.
Okay. Well, we'll see later on today. This is Michael de Laine for the Copenhagen Voice.